Hello, welcome to Frugal It Out. Legos have taken over my life, and there's the culprit. So I turned the couch bar into a Lego table, but as you can tell, they're still everywhere all the time. It's always a disaster. So I've had some ideas. I thought of going back to like a little kid train table, but just making it Legos, but then it's this huge piece of furniture that's always out there. So I have another idea, let me show you. So we're in Broden's room, and as of now, we weren't really storing anything under the bed except for stuffed animals. There's Briley. So we had this open space, and I had this really nasty old bookshelf in the garage, but it was too tall. So I was like, oh, I'll get some like leg risers. So I was gonna go to Walmart to get those like make your bed taller thing for like $7 for 4. But my Walmart didn't have any, so I frugaled it out and I got some bricks that we had out in our big rock pile, and I put Ziploc bags around them just so they wouldn't, I don't know what they would do to the carpet. So I raised the bed up 2 inches, so now this fits under there and it'll just slide under, and then when he wants to play he can slide it out, and so they're contained. They can't fall out, in theory. We will see if this actually works or not. So here we go, I'm gonna fill it with Legos and do a final video and see if it works. Okay, so here it is with all the Lego stuff in it. We have so many Legos, it's ridiculous. So ideally, he would just sit inside and play. So maybe he'll just take the buckets out, or we actually just need to get some of our Lego sets back together and free up some space. So this would just be to sit and play and make stuff. And then we have all our Legos divided up in those drawers. So hopefully these buckets will kind of disappear other than just the project he's currently on. But I'm gonna slide it under the bed, pick up the room, and we'll see, make it all disappear. I'm so excited. And there you have it. Magically clean room, hidden Legos under the bed. Hope you enjoy. Hope this works for your family too.